What can I do as a homeowner to ensure my project's success? Hi, I'm Doug Panozzo, Director of Operations with Hogan Design and Construction, your trusted guide to home remodeling. All right, what can a homeowner do to ensure the project's success? It starts with many different things, but it starts with communication, making sure that you're properly communicating and being responsive. Also communicating your expectations so that your remodeler knows what you want from the get-go. Also making sure that you're making timely decisions. A lot of times some decisions need to be made in the middle of the project. Making timely decisions will help keep the project on track both budget and schedule-wise. Lastly would be making sure that you are open and honest with your builder throughout the project, so that way if there is an issue they can course correct and make sure that they are putting out a good product that you're happy with, but also more importantly giving you a great experience. If you have any questions or if you'd like more information, come visit us at hdcbuild.com.